want to add more interest and personality to your drawings? In this series of videos, I'm talking about different mark making techniques and how they can be used to transform your drawings and find your own unique art style. However, before we grab our pens and pencils, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. Mark making is all about playing with lines, dots and patterns, basically any kind of mark to make your artwork stand out. These marks can be loose and full of energy or neat and precise. It's totally your call. And it matters because mark making is a huge part of finding your own artistic voice. It's how you show your ideas and emotions without saying a word. It gives your work personality and the extra bit of spark that makes it yours. I've been exploring 4 different types of mark making. In previous videos I played with automatic, intuitive and musical drawing. In this video I'm talking about how I'm using the marks created with these methods in planned and structured designs. So as a result of trying these different mark making methods, I created a whole repertoire of lines and patterns to use as inspiration. I also investigated art history and noticed that planned mark making was used by many different types of artists. I was really inspired by Albrecht Dürer's precise style of cross-hatching in his woodcuts and engravings. Also, I really admired the drawings by James Tissot, in which he used meticulous marks to emphasise light and form. Additionally, I really appreciated the works by Gustav Klimt. He used many decorative patterns and motifs in his portrait paintings. So here's how I tried to make my own types of patterns. For drawings with long flowing lines, I played with tangled patterns using pencil and ink. I also explored geometric shapes and abstract patterns by drawing mosaic-like designs. I began with drawing lots of intersecting lines and filled the gaps with different types of marks. Finally, to explore a more expressive style, I made some designs with untidy expressive marks. This was a fun exercise and I found the process to be extremely calming and it helped create a flow state. In my next couple of videos, I'll be talking about how I've used mark making in my figurative, still life and portrait drawings. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more art inspiration.